Startup India is, as you know, the Government of India program for promoting startups and entrepreneurship in the country. Before the Startup India plan in 2016 came up, we had only 2 or 3 states that had their own startup policies. पहले 2014 में केरला और आंध्रा का था. And before that happened, we had GST in 90s helping startups with their Nidhi Prayas scheme. And even before that, we always had people who were enterprising in India. We always had entrepreneurship here. So one distinction that usually comes in the whole startup versus entrepreneurship category is the amount of innovation that you have, right? चाय बेचना entrepreneurship है, flavored चाय बेचना थोड़ा innovative है, हॉस्टल में रूम्स में चाय पहुंचाना innovative delivery model है, चाय के पैसे से किसी को हेल्प करना is an innovative business model, पैसे माँ बाप से लेना और चाय बच्चों को देना is an innovative revenue model, right? So at every point you need to know what is it that you are innovating in, what is it that makes your startup innovative, right? So that is like the first thing that I would like to start with. You should know whether you are an entrepreneur with an enterprise or whether you have a startup. And I'll tell you why this is very important in the context of understanding financing. एक normal enterprise जो होता है, enterprise अगले 2, 4, 5 साल में 2x, 3x, 4x तक रिटर्न देता है. आप 1 लाख डालते हो, आप 20,000 रुपए महीना उसमें से निकालते रहते हो, 3 साल में वो 2x, 3x ऐसे हो जाता है. That is all good. ऐसे enterprise को VC money नहीं मिलता. VC money does not come for a high guarantee, low return, right? VC में V stands for venture. Okay. Now venture capital means risk capital, risk, which means you to be showing a potential to give 20x, 30x, 50x returns, right? If you are just selling cats, then there is a very little chance that you are making that 20x, 30x, right? So you will not get VC money. But if you start selling cats digitally, and even better if you start selling virtual cats, then you have the entire gamut of Zynga games like Farmville, Catville, money. You need to have a very, very scalable and potential enterprise with some innovation, so you can attract that sort of money, right? The 20x thing, then there are basically 3 sets of financing sources that you can look at. The first is, of course, 3Fs. Joke of 3F for capital. That is friends, family, and fools. So all 3 are usually happy to lend you money, give you money in one way or the other. And there is no harm in saying that, you know, I have a 2x, 3x return. I am borrowing this money today. In the next 1 year, 1.5 years, I will start returning this money, make my profit, and do good. This is what our country can really use right now. This is a good thing. आज तक की जितनी भी बहुत बड़ी कंपनीज इंडिया में हैं, वो सब इसी 2x, 3x रिटर्न वाले मॉडल से डेली ग्रो करके बड़ी बनी है. So there is no harm in this. Now, why are we even talking about startups at all in that case, right? If you look at the number of years it took a Reliance or a TCS or an Infosys to reach a 1 billion valuation, right? It is something to the tune of 37 years, I guess, for TCS, about 12 years for Reliance, Wipro and TCS were about 18, 20 years or something like that. And we have Udaan that took 1 year, Ola that took about 4 years, Zomato was 5, 6 years or something, right? This accelerated growth path is what makes it a startup, right? Now, most startups are small, and a large part of those also die, right? I think the global rate is about 90%, and if you look at incubated startups, it comes to about 80%. If you look at incubated and mentored, it comes to 70%, and incubated, mentored, and well-funded is about 50 to 60% failure rate, right? Which means, how many people do we have on the call right now? Can we get a number? About 80, right? Which means, even with the best funding, 40 of you will not be on the second call. Right? Just set this expectation straight that there is a non-zero significant chance it might not work. Right? Now assume this 50% chance as the risk that the VC is also taking. Right? What you are doing is, of course, having fun. You have a vision, you're putting something down, you want to solve a problem. You are doing that, it is good, but it is also somebody's money on the line, right? For the economy, the 1 year, 2 years that you spend in trying to do these things, and where some others might even fail, is also very valuable, right? So one reason that Hiranmay actually first shared with me was, a lot of IIT, IIM graduates do not know how to work. Whereas if you have been in a failed startup, there is a very high chance you know how to work. And companies value that thing like anything. You know how to work, right? Now, why will somebody invest in your firm? Why will anyone give you the money that you need? Is mostly for returns. There is also a slim 10 to 20% chance that they are trying to fulfill their own dreams through you. If they feel that, this is a product that they need, this is a product that their colleagues need, that they see there is a dearth of, they might actually take a punt on you, right? They might actually say that, this is good, yaar. I think we should do something on this. Let's just support them. Let's give it to them, right? The other caveat you need is, if you are raising funds, please do not feel that mujhe batao mat kya karna hai. Right? The first thing you should know is, if somebody has more money than you, they are better off. They know what to do with the money, right? With money will always come governance, which we sometimes mistake for interference. Why are you interfering in this? Why are you interfering in that? It is somebody's money, right? So that will always happen. The second caveat is done. The third thing now is, when you raise money, how do you get valuation, right? Is it possible to get a show of hands on how many people want a deeper dive on valuation? Can we do the raise hands things? Oh, that's very few. Okay. In that case, let's not dive deep into valuation. I'll just give you an overview. So valuation essentially is कि किसी ने इतने पैसे लगाए तो उसे कितने % शेयर मिलेगा, right? Now, as entrepreneurs, we start feeling that this startup is my baby, so I can't give more than a finger. Even if somebody is bringing in 10 lakh rupees, 20 lakh rupees, 50 lakh rupees, no, I can't dilute much. One thing that I learned from one of my startups was that 95% of zero is zero. Right? If you are left holding 95% of a startup that does not have money to continue operations, you essentially have 95% of nothing. All your idea, all your hard work goes to waste, right? Dilution should not be your core problem. Dilution should not be one of the things that stops you or that makes you move away from a deal, right? There are other factors you can consider, which is fine, but do not try to be over smart and saying ki, nahi, I will not dilute this. This is too much equity. This is this. So valuation is based on one of three things: discounted cash flow, net asset, या comparable. Comparable होता है कि मान लो कंपनी ए के पास 100 यूजर हैं, मंथली 50 यूजर लॉग इन करते हैं, इनकी वैल्यूएशन 500 रुपए है. मेरे पास 200 यूजर है, मंथली 100 यूजर लॉग इन करते हैं, तो मेरी वैल्यूएशन रफली 900 से 1100 के बीच में होगी, कंपेरेबल वैल्यू, राइट? दिस इज हाउ ऑल योर फ्लिपकार्ट, Amazon आर वैल्यूड. कि what is your gross merchandise value that you're selling, how many people come onto the platform. WhatsApp is valued like this, Snapchat, all these are valued like this. The second is your net asset value method, right? Which is basically that I have assets worth 300 rupees and you have assets worth 200 rupees. It is a very easy thing that my valuation is 300, your valuation is 200, right? Very simple. I have these assets. If I have a liability of 100, you have a liability of 100, our valuations will be 200 and 100. Okay? This is how bigger private firms are mostly valued. There is a goodwill component also, but broadly it is a net asset value, right? The problem with startups is we do not have assets, right? Now a startup could be making maybe a defense equipment using artificial intelligence and the total asset is एक प्लास्टिक का कुर्सी टेबल, क्योंकि 3 फाउंडर हैं, तीनों निर्मा से कंप्यूटर साइंस में ग्रेजुएट हुए हैं, तो तीनों बैठ के सिर्फ कोडिंग कर रहे हैं, राइट? और ओपन सोर्स चीजें यूज कर रहे हैं. सो देयर इज नो एसेट, कुछ लिया ही नहीं हुआ. सो द वैल्यूएशन फॉर दिस स्टार्टअप एज पर द नेट एसेट वैल्यू would be एक प्लास्टिक का टेबल कुर्सी 300-400 रुपए, right? Whereas the valuation for this startup might be actually much higher, right? This is based on a discounted cash flow, which is whatever you say you will make, right? So if you say ki I will make 10,000 rupees in the next 1 year, then your startup value is roughly 10,000 discounted to 1 year, right? एक साल बाद 10,000 मिलेगा, अभी लगभग 9,000 हुआ. अगर हर साल 10,000 रुपए मिलते रहेंगे तो लगभग 1 लाख रुपए की वैल्यूएशन हो गई स्टार्टअप. Valuation, projections, and these things are best left to a professional, right? एक कोई सीए होगा जिसने कंपनी इनकॉर्पोरेट करी होगी, उसको बोल दो इतना होगा, वो ये नंबर्स बनाएगा. Whenever you present to an investor, they are not interested in your numbers. Investors are not interested in your projections. झूठ है वो, तो तुमने बैठ के लिखा है, कोई ऐसे वीड मार के लिख देगा 1 0 ज्यादा डल गया तो हाँ ज्यादा डल गया, that is just fine. The investor is interested in knowing if you know and understand what you are predicting. If you are saying my sales will be, let's say, 500 units in the next 5 months, right? How much is your sale in June? How much is your sale in the month after that? अगर 500 यूनिट बेच रहे हो, एम्प्लॉय स्ट्रेंथ कितना है? अगर 3 कोडर ही सिर्फ बैठे हुए हैं तो सेल्स करने कौन जा रहा है? ब्रांडिंग कौन कर रहा है? मार्केटिंग का खर्चा डाला है, आफ्टर सेल सर्विस कौन करेगा, राइट? तो प्रोडक्ट में बग आया तो वो कौन देखेगा? यूआई के लिए एक बंदा है, राइट? So you need to think through everything. The business side remains with you. The numbers, they are the easy bit. They are genuinely the easy bit. You can get a good CA. Online बहुत सारे tools available हैं. You can hire a good professional also. कि कितने में कैसे बनेगा? Even when the investor does due diligence to invest in your company, they will not say कि नहीं growth rate of 23% नहीं हो सकता, 19 के ऊपर एक पैसा नहीं. This is not what the sort of haggling there is, right? The haggling is more of, you are saying you will launch the product by April. They will say, I don't think so. What stage are you at right now? When will you do alpha, beta, gamma? When will your rework happen? What if your product doesn't work? What is your marketing strategy? Have you thought of that? Do you have a manager on board? Right? These are the things that you need to be very, very sure about. Right? I'm assuming you have a 20x, 30x return. This is what happens after that. If you do not have a 20x, 30x return, then you're possibly taking a loan or just, friendly grants from friends. Now, in case you're at a point where you don't want to take a loan, where you're not sure whether, where there is a maybe 50% chance that even with a bit of money, this might not work. Maybe the POC doesn't go through. Maybe it is not possible. Like if I want to make a time machine, I am not sure if it will even work, right? For something that risky, your uncle either has to be a VC or you can rely on government grants, right? BIRAC का एक biotechnology के लिए grant आता है. There are other state grants. SSIP has a grant. Elevate program has a grant. This is the government giving you a grant to let you experiment to solve a problem, right? Can you solve this issue, even if you can solve 10% of it? And one thing that you should always remember is, how many of you know who invented radio? Radio जो आता था, just raise your hand if somebody knows who invented radio. Nobody really? रेडियो का आविष्कार किसने किया था? किसी को भी नहीं. टीवी का आविष्कार, anybody knows TV, who invented TV? Oh, okay, that's kind of bad. पहले तो पढ़ना शुरू करो यार, सीरियसली पढ़ना शुरू करो. अगर किसी वीसी ने लंच डिनर में बुला लिया तो ऐसी बहुत सारी बातें करते हैं वो, और तुम्हें फंडिंग वो नहीं देंगे. VCs invest more in, yeah, okay, macaroni नहीं, Marconi. Macaroni is the thing that we eat. Yeah, John Long Baird is the inventor of television. Yes, yes. So we might remember that Baird invented the television and Marconi invented the radio, right? There were a lot of people who invented components that went into the radio. For example, J.C. Bose contributed a lot to how sound waves are dispersed and how they can be received, which was the basis for the radio, right? So the government gives you this grant to experiment with cutting edge technology. You need to be doing something that could be used for future generations to build on and to finally solve a problem, right? The other thing about investors calling you for lunch or dinner, that is very true. Please be aware, please know a few things. 2-4 किताबें जरूर पढ़ के रखो. 0 to 1 पीटर थियल जरूर पढ़ो. हिरण्मय जो recommend करता है वो पढ़ो. I think he has this recommendation of 4 industrial revolutions, I guess 3 in India, something like that. जरूर पढ़ के रखो. You should know basic keywords. You should know Theranos क्या होता है. You should know what went wrong with the company. You should know what's a toxic culture. You should know the news. Because if a VC feels that this person is not aware, then they're not as likely to invest in you, because that means you're not very passionate. As I said before, people are not as interested in the numbers. They're interested in you. They're interested in your team. Your job is to make them believe that I know what I'm talking about. I am passionate about this, right? Talk to anybody and they will tell you कि जब तक you don't take the plunge, जब तक you don't say कि हाँ I am going in the deep water, दोनों पैर पानी में डाल रहा हूँ मैं, तब तक nobody will invest in you. In fact, a lot of investors, जब कोई इनको बोलता है ना कि मैं भी जॉब में हूँ, मैं साइड पे ये कर रहा हूँ, आप मुझे फंडिंग दे दो, so they reply by saying कि अच्छा तुम शादी नहीं करना चाहते, तुम हनीमून पे जाना चाहते हो, right? And that is real. You will hear this across the board. Till you are ready to take the plunge, these are just means by which you communicate your passion. These are means by which you build trust. You know, I know what I'm talking about. Why don't you invest in me? I will do it. The other thing that you will hear probably everybody recommending to you is good team, bad idea versus bad team, good idea. People would always prefer the good team. बुरा idea हो ना, कोई बात नहीं. Nobody starts and ends with the same product. लिखवा लो, किसी भी startup को देख लो, किसी भी successful founder से बात कर लो. People start with one thing and they move on to other things. I am not even saying when people pivot entirely to something different. I am saying people might start with, I will start a hyper local cash payment system, and you probably expand to, instead of this, I will add a mall component. I will have people selling from here, people buying from here, right? So this sort of a thing happens all the time. Now, if you have if you have a good idea but you do not have good people, then the VC is going to think यार कल को अगर ये बंदे को आइडिया चेंज करना पड़ा, very hard to work with यार, नहीं होगा right? There's this one book by Pankaj, Before You Start Up करके book है, and it gives a very very wonderful example of how to select a co-founder. So he says, just sit with your co-founder and start arguing on something that you feel very strongly about, right? It should be as controversial as you want. Like for example, if you think कि Ahmedabad is better than Vadodara, and you know, if your co-founder is from Vadodara, argue on that. If it is something close to your heart, that is even better. If you think कि Trump is good for India, or if you think Trump is not good for India, if you think boycotting China, I don't know, religion, caste, society, reservation, education, government, whatever you feel very strongly about, whatever you are like कि नहीं ये तो ऐसे ही होगा, right? You should argue with your co-founder about it. You know why? Because a lot of your next few months as co-founders is going to be like that. Just take a moment and imagine Zomato में कितनी लड़ाई होती होगी जब वो सोचते होंगे let's start a restaurant. Zomato has all your data. Zomato knows who orders what where. Zomato knows the taste. Zomato knows everything. Zomato could use all that predictive AI and really start restaurants and make amazing amount of money, right? How do you think they argue over this? Understand कि हर कोई इस चीज को तहे दिल से चाह रहा है, right? So the VC is also thinking about you like that. The VC is also thinking कि tomorrow when I have a disagreement with them, one, are they smart enough to understand? Second, are they good enough for me to actually argue with them, discuss? Third, if they are right or if there is a decision that they are wrong, how will they talk to me? Fourth, how will they settle internal disagreements, right? So whenever you're trying to raise funding, take care of these things. Take care of these things big time, right? Since we are on the team issue, I will take care of one more thing. स्टार्टअप शुरू ना 3-4 तरह के लोग करते हैं. एक वो करते हैं जो एक इंडस्ट्री में 5 साल 10 साल बिताते हैं, यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम है, and then they move on to solving that problem. So for example, if Professor Dhara continues publishing for another 5 years, she will realize कि अरे यार ये ना publishing में बड़ा problem आ रहा है यार, I have to cite again and again. एक पेपर साइट करो, पूरा ठीक से नाम लिखो. What if there was a software that could store all my citations and whenever I cite, वो automatically हो, right? That's the first sort of startup. और प्रोफेसर धरा आप करना मत ऐसा, क्विका के नाम का एक सॉफ्टवेयर आ गया ऑलरेडी, राइट? सो ये है इंडस्ट्री एक्सपर्ट जिसको प्रॉब्लम पता है, सॉल्यूशन पता है, मार्केट पता है, ठीक है. सेकंड है कंप्यूटर इंजीनियरिंग वाले लोग. वंस यू नो हाउ टू क्रिएट समथिंग, you want to keep creating it, right? So this could be कि मैंने नया Python पे गेम बनाना सीखा, I want to create an AI based game, as simple as that. मुझे वो बनाना है, ये बहुत अच्छा आइडिया है, a lot of people will join it, right? The third sort of a thing is where you have a lot more execution, right? If you look at what Zomato has done, right? Zomato ने स्टार्टिंग, मुझे नहीं पता कितने लोगों को यहाँ पे याद है, बट Zomato ओरिजिनली वाज जस्ट अ मेन्यू रिपोजिटरी कि मैड बेकर से लेके फ्योरास पिज्जा, जितने भी अच्छे रेस्टोरेंट हैं, सबका मेन्यू मेरे वेबसाइट पे, आप ऑर्डर खुद करो, सब खुद करो, राइट? क्या टेक है इसमें? टेक नहीं है इसमें, राइट? इसमें एग्जीक्यूशन है, लेकिन बहुत हैवी एग्जीक्यूशन, राइट? इन केस योर कोर इज टेक, when you pitch to the investor, you have to showcase that you have that expertise of tech. कि मैं टेक बेस हूं, ये मेरा टेकी co-founder है और हमारे पास एक मैनेजर है. When you look at something like execution based, जैसे Zomato है या जैसे Redbus है, You need to tell the investor कि मैं देखो मैनेजर हूं, ये देखो कितना अच्छा मैनेजर है, और ये हमारा टेक को फाउंडर है. In case tech का component और कम है, then you can have a CTO also. So that is a major distinction between a tech co-founder and a CTO. How core is that tech in your startup? बहुत core है तो co-founder होगा. अगर ठीक है, if tech is what enables it, then a CTO is also good. Right? Now I was talking about the 3 types of people who start up, right? The third set of people who start up are people who are passionate about a problem, right? For example, healthy eating, or cabs driven by women drivers, right? Now, nobody has to really be an expert in the cab industry to see कि यार अगर female drivers रहेंगे ना, तो female passengers comfortable रहेंगे. Let me start this thing, right? In this case again, you do not have a lot of expertise to show, right? पहले वाले केस में क्या था कि इंडस्ट्री एक्सपीरियंस है, जो प्रोफेसर धरा ने शुरू किया. दूसरे वाले में 3 कंप्यूटर साइंस वाले बच्चों ने शुरू किया. तीसरे वाले में तो किसी ने भी शुरू किया. लेट्स से अमी और अनिल ने शुरू कर लिया, राइट? तो तीनों में हमें क्या दिखाना है? थर्ड केस इज द टफेस्ट. अगर अमी और अनिल साथ में एक स्टार्टअप शुरू करते हैं जिसमें ना उनका एक्सपर्टीज है, ना उनका टेक है, they will have to show a lot more research. You need to go through FGDs, focus group discussion जो होता है, सर्वे करो, लोगों से बात करो, टेस्टिंग करो, बताओ कि हमने ये कोर्स किया, हमने वो कोर्स किया, हम यहाँ पे लोगों को मिले, हमने यहाँ पे भी सर्वे लिया, इतने लोगों ने पॉजिटिव रिव्यू दिया है हमें, हमारे पास ये LOI है यहाँ से, हमें इस कंपनी ने पायलट ऑफर किया, हमने यहाँ से टेस्टिंग कराई, ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे ये सब हुआ. Getting it? So you need to show all this to the investor. In all 3 cases, you need to focus on one aspect of what will get you through, right? Then one of the harder things, why you, right? Now why you is intricately connected to one more thing, which is ki, what if somebody steals my idea, right? Is there anybody who feels कि they don't care if somebody steals their idea? Will somebody raise their hand? कि उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता if somebody steals their idea? Good. Oh, okay, 1 person. Yes, but great. Doctor, so I'm guessing आप PhD वाले हैं या?
No, I'm a dentist.
Sorry?
I'm a dentist.
Oh, okay, medical. Okay, makes sense. So I can tell you कि अगर कोई PhD डॉक्टर है ना, उसको बहुत डर रहता है कि कोई मेरी रिसर्च चोरी कर लेगा, right? That is like the easier thing for people. And Mohit, cool. Thank you. Mohit, what do you do?
Sir, I'm a student. I'm a mechanical engineering student.
क्या idea है तुम्हारा?
Sir, to provide service of cooks.
Cooks, right? And why are you not afraid कि कोई इसको चोरी कर लेगा?
Sir, because जितना मैं effort डालूंगा, जितना मैं passionate हूँ इस idea पे, उतना कोई दूसरा नहीं होगा. जितना मैं deep research कर रखी है, तो as per this ये जो इतना मैं सोच रहा हूँ, उतना कोई होगा नहीं. तो बस ये सारे points है. और जितने
that's pretty good. Thanks Mohit. So
yes, sir.
This is a very common thing that मतलब out of us also I think 80 of us are scared that somebody might take our idea, right? It is not that easy. It is definitely not that easy किसी का idea चोरी करना. In fact, इस पे usually I reply by saying कि startupindia.gov.in पे 300 से ज्यादा ideas पड़े हुए हैं, पूरा research के साथ कि अच्छा इसमें 5% है, इतना problem है, इतना market share है, ऐसे रहेगा वैसे रहेगा. And that this is the market share, this is the problem statement. Why don't you go and start up? Ideas are dime a dozen. रत्ती के भाव मिलते हैं ideas. जितने भी ideas हैं आपको आराम से मिलेंगे. The difference between a successful and a failed startup is not an idea mostly. Is not an idea at all. It is the execution. It is the passion and perseverance of the founders. It is how equipped you are to take this idea forward, right? Now, one more thing you need to understand in this is, if 80 of us are afraid to to share our ideas कि हमारा idea क्या है किसी को पता चल जाएगा. You also have to understand as soon as you launch your product, the idea is in the market, right? If somebody can copy your idea tomorrow, they can copy it today. If they can copy it today, they can copy it tomorrow. अगर launch करने के बाद किसी ने copy कर लिया, then you are anyway gone, right? That said, you also have to understand that एक market में एक player नहीं होता, there are multiple players. Cab provider में कितने players हैं? It will become a question of who can execute it better, right? So, excuse me. So one of the things that you have to convince the investor for is कि आपकी टीम ये चीज सबसे बेहतर कैसे कर सकती है. मार्केट में तो आइडिया आएगा, अगर मार्केट में नहीं आएगा तो फिर आइडिया कभी आगे जाएगा ही नहीं, राइट? नाउ इफ somebody sees your idea, they can do it better and it is clear to the investor, then the investor doesn't really have to invest in you. Then the investor can really get a lot more people who will be more passionate, who will be better equipped and do it, right? So all of you who are working on something right now, do ask yourself this question: can I put my idea on Facebook, Reddit, anywhere? Why not? Right? And is it possible that I can get over these fears and flaws? Can you make your team or your product so wonderful, so equipped, so best suited that only you can take care of this? If not, do not expect investors to put money in you. Please do not. Every idea gets copied. There is no IPR protection also. I'll just take you through that bit also. Idea को कोई भी IPR protect नहीं करता है, कोई भी, और किसी भी देश में नहीं करता है. किसी भी देश में idea को IPR protect नहीं करता. If you have a patent, you can protect a sort of a design or a process or a machine, right? In which case it is an invention, right? Inventions, yes, they can be, but once it is clear what your invention is solving, then more people can also come up with ways of solving it. In that case, you get a head start for your invention, right? But if you have a execution based thing, for example, जैसे मोहित ने बोला कि cooks provide करने का, this idea cannot be protected by IPR. It is only protected by a moat, and the moat is that he is passionate and he will execute this better and faster than anybody. Even if somebody copies his idea, if he can do it better, then he will be the best. Then people will come to him, then his startup becomes successful, right? This is done. Okay, one more thing. Pitch deck. If you have to pitch, you need a pitch deck. Pitch deck matlab presentation. There are 10 slides in a pitch deck, basically, that capture what you are doing, right? What you're doing, मतलब problem क्या थी, लोग अभी कैसे solve कर रहे हैं, तुम कैसे solve कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा team क्या है, तुम्हारे projections क्या है, अभी तक का तुम्हारा journey क्या है, कुछ अच्छा मिला हो तुम्हें. Market study माने कि what is the market size, how much will you address, and what is the sort of money you're looking at revenue making, right? Financial projections. And also, what is the competitor landscape? How many other people are there in the market? What are they doing? Right? There's an interesting example in this. I don't know how many of you have heard of Impossible Foods, but I'm guessing at least half of us would be vegetarians, right? And vegetarian हम शायद इसलिए कई बार होता है कि we do not want to kill animals. That's a very fair reason. That's also our cultural reason for a lot of times. Now there is this company called Impossible Foods that is creating meat products from plants. पौधों से lab में रसायन द्वारा they are creating the taste of meat, beef, mutton and all that, right? So they've turned the assumption on its head. And somebody asked their CEO, ki, who is your competitor? Impossible Foods is the name of the company. They asked the CEO, ki, आपका competitor कौन है? how many of you can guess what their competitor would be? If you are a company that is creating mutton steak out of plants, who is your competitor? Do you know what this person replied? They replied, our competitor is the cow. They're making beef steak. They're saying we are competing with cow. One, whenever you give competitor landscape, please do not say we are the only people in the market. It is a desk reject. Desk reject मतलब उसके बाद आप देखोगे कि आपका VC ऐसे फोन पे लगा हुआ है और बीच में आपको एक सवाल पूछता है, हाँ गुड या ओके. Do not say we are the only ones in the market. That is the stupidest thing you can do. There is always competition. या तो तुम्हें नहीं पता है या तुम देखने की कोशिश नहीं कर रहे. Right? In both cases, you are reject. Okay, there's a question. Wait. You can find investors through our good business model with great mission. Oh, okay. Yeah, just generally talking about that. Okay. Pitch deck. Okay, one more thing that might be of interest to a number of you. So I got this query before the session actually about CSR money. So understand, CSR money from a company cannot come to a startup. CSR money from a company cannot come to a startup. Okay. If the company has a foundation, mostly companies का होता है Wipro Foundation, Reliance Foundation, Tata Foundation, Tata Trust, right? उसके through, if they are doing something, they can place an order with you to provide that. मान लो अगर आप mask बना रहे हो, they can provide you an order for mask. They cannot fund you. A company cannot take equity against CSR. Startup की CSR funding नहीं होती. Okay. If a company gives money to an incubator, the incubator can decide what to do with the money. They can give the money to you as a grant, as debt, as equity, or any combination. So if a company gives money to an incubator, the incubator can give the money to a startup in whatever way. But the company cannot give money to a startup under CSR in any way. Right? I think we'll take questions now. If you have any questions, if you want me to cover anything specific, it could be anything related to compliances or regulation or finance or practically anything else.
Incubator exactly means.
Okay, this is nice. Essentially, an incubator meant a place where startup founders could sit, discuss ideas with each other, have a place to work at, get some mentorship, right? Then came in CII, right? Then came in SSIP. तो वो लेवल ना बढ़ते जा रहा है और स्टेट्स में भी काफी अच्छा हो रहा है. केरला हैज द कंट्रीज लार्जेस्ट इंक्यूबेटर नाउ. राजस्थान में था, उससे पहले टी हब था, अब टी हब 2 आ रहा है. So these incubators are places where startup founders can go to spend time with like-minded individuals, and an incubator will give them mentorship just to help them with their idea, to organize webinars like this, help them with incorporation and regulatory compliances, help them with product development, and finally with funding. A number of good incubators are also helping through a network of laboratories, fab labs, maker spaces also. So an incubator is 90% funded by the government, 10% of them are mostly private also. AIC है, state level पे हैं, और बहुत सारे schemes हैं. So an incubator is a physical space, first of all, where people go, sit, discuss, get space to work.
We have another question from Rahil. Market sizing for business that is completely new and no past data is available.
Good question. Give me an example of this business that makes it more interesting. What's the next question? How can we find foreign investor? Why do you have to find foreign investor?
After POC development.
On company name or founder name? Good question. Very good question. Usually problem क्या होता है कि दो लोग कॉलेज में या कॉलेज के बाद रिसर्च करते हुए फाइंड अ पेटेंट अपने नाम पे हो गया, कल को कंपनी बनाई तो कंपनी को पेटेंट लीज आउट कर दिया कि कंपनी को पेटेंट राइट्स दे दिए, राइट? The other option is that पहले कंपनी बनाओ and then कंपनी के नाम से get the patent, right? Now IPR में ना एक रूल बड़ा सिंपल होता है. First in law, in fact law में हमेशा होता है, first in law is better. जो पहले आया वो better, ठीक है? If you think you are not ready to make a company, take your patent. ले लो, राइट? लेकिन जैसे ही कंपनी बन जाए, you need to get the patent in the company's name. This is one of the things that investors talk about later. ये ड्यू डिलिजेंस में पकड़ा जाता है कि पेटेंट किसके नाम पे है. So before you have a company, it is okay if it's in your name. It is just fine. Once you have a company and you are enthused about the company, put it in the company's name. If you have a company and you have related patents on your sole name, then the investor knows कि यार ये ना सोच रहा है कि कल को मैं चला जाऊंगा तो मेरे पास कुछ रहना चाहिए. To the outside world, you have to be all in. Always company name. Right? Let me just see the other.
How to decide the share of the investor? Are there any standard policies?
After POC, should we be at the after POC question?
Yes, sir.
After POC development, the next step to take financial aid. Yeah, so this depends. This totally depends. तुम ये देखो कि तुम्हें मार्केट हिट करने तक पैसा चाहिए क्या. For example, if your solution is only on scale, then you need money from day one. If your solution is such that you can do a pilot, then do not raise funding till you don't need to. Right? Raising funds takes 6 months easily. 4 महीने minimum, 6 महीना average, और कई लोगों का तो never at all. ठीक है? It is a full-time job. एक बंदा सिर्फ fund raise करता है, and it is everybody's job. You need to get the pitch deck, you need to get the numbers, you need to get everything else. Try delaying it, but start soon. If you know कि मुझे ऐसे 4 महीने, 5 महीने में, 6 महीने में पैसे चाहिए, start today. लेकिन इसलिए नहीं कि हाँ मैं शुरू ही ऐसे करूंगा कि बिल्कुल ऐसे सारे देश में शाहरुख खान, ऐश्वर्या राय सारे YouTube पे आके एक साथ लॉन्च करेंगे मेरा प्रोडक्ट. उस चीज के लिए पैसे नहीं मिलते. If your product is only on scale, only, not best at scale, only on scale, तब पहले से, अदरवाइज स्केल अप के टाइम पे. सर्विस इंडस्ट्री गुड और प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड इंडस्ट्री? वेस्ट क्वेश्चन. जस्ट लुक फॉर अ गुड प्रॉब्लम टू सॉल्व दैट यू कैन सॉल्व वेल. इट टोटली डज नॉट मैटर वेदर यू आर अ प्रोडक्ट और अ सर्विस. पेटेंट कंपनी में चाहिए हो गया. हाउ टू डिसाइड शेयर ऑफ इन्वेस्टर? ओके, गुड क्वेश्चन. इन्वेस्टमेंट शेयर ना बहुत एक मतलब 3 मैंने वैल्यूएशन तरीके बता दिए. डिस्काउंटेड कैश फ्लो, नेट एसेट वैल्यू, कंपेरेबल. राइट? एक्चुअली आपकी वैल्यूएशन निकलती है कि मुझे अभी 20 लाख रुपए चाहिए. आई नीड दिस बिफोर नेक्स्ट मंथ, अदरवाइज माई कंपनी विल शट डाउन. राइट? इस केस में जितना आपके और इन्वेस्टर के बीच में नेगोशिएशन बैठता है, आपकी कंपनी की वैल्यूएशन वो है. वो बोलता है 30%, आप बोलते हो 10%, आप झोलमोल करके 25% पे आते हो, 20 लाख लेते हो, आपकी कंपनी की वैल्यूएशन 80 लाख. आप बहुत अच्छा नेगोशिएट कर लेते हो 10% पे, आपकी कंपनी की वैल्यूएशन 2 करोड़. राइट? सो इट टोटली डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ डेस्परेटली यू नीड द मनी एंड हाउ डेस्परेटली द इन्वेस्टर लाइक्स यू. इट इज जस्ट अ मैटर ऑफ नेगोशिएशन. देयर इज नो करेक्ट वैल्यूएशन नंबर. एक स्टार्टअप की वैल्यूएशन पे एक आदमी अगर लिख के दे देना कि इसकी ये वैल्यू है, तो भारत सरकार की सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाए. जो वैल्यूएशन सर्टिफिकेट भी आता है ना, वो बोलते हैं कि बेस्ड ऑन दीज ABCDE पैरामीटर्स इट इज अराउंड दिस, बट वी टेक नो गारंटी. मर्चेंट बैंकर भी गारंटी नहीं लेता. पूरी दुनिया में कोई भी किसी कंपनी की वैल्यू नहीं लेता. एसेट वैल्यू पे ले लेगा, लेकिन ऐसे फट्टे मारने पे नहीं लेगा कि हाँ हम 3 साल में 6000 यूनिट, 10 लाख यूनिट की कंपनी हो जाएगी. ऑल दैट इज जस्ट नॉट हैपनिंग. हाउ वी सर्च इंक्यूबेटर्स? यार इंक्यूबेटर सर्च करना मतलब SSIP इज अ ग्रेट रिसोर्स. गुजरात में आई गेस वी हैड 120 incubators. If you can't find something in the ecosystem, startupindia.gov.in नेटवर्क पे क्लिक करो, आपको इंक्यूबेटर, इन्वेस्टर, एक्सेलरेटर, अदर स्टार्टअप्स, लैब्स, सबका डेटा मिल जाएगा. फाइंडिंग एन इंक्यूबेटर इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम एवर. व्हाट टाइप ऑफ कंपनी? अच्छा, ये एक पूरा अलग सेशन है. So I can't really recommend one thing. I can tell you the tax rate for private limited is the lowest. We can have a separate session on this. Okay, tools like BMC, VPC, SWOT. Can you suggest some other analytics tool which we must learn? So instead of learning multiple tools, BMC को बहुत अच्छे से कर लो. बीएमसी को बिल्कुल ऐसे दिल दिमाग से कर लो और वो स्टिकी नोट लगा के करो ताकि चेंज कर पाओ बार बार. बीएमसी अपने आप में इज इनफ. फ्री वर्जन भी बहुत जगह मिल जाएगा. आई विल शेयर वन विद हिरण्मय इफ यू वांट, बट एक इज इनफ क्योंकि बीएमसी में सब कवर्ड है. सो इफ यू सी अ बीएमसी इज लाइक अ चार्ट रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ योर डेक. क्या कर रहे हो, कहां से करोगे, कौन खरीद रहा है, क्यों खरीदेगा, टीम कौन है, पैसे कहां से आएंगे, कितने का होगा. ऑल दिस इज प्रैक्टिकली योर डेक. सो जस्ट डू वन, दैट इज गुड इनफ, दैट इज गुड इनफ. लेकिन वो वन को अच्छे से कर लो. ट्री साइकिल, ट्रेडमिल, बाइसाइकिल. If the investor feels that the problem, I'm talking about the tree cycle question by Darpan. So if the investor says that this problem does not exist, one, you should stop working on it or prove that this problem exists. This problem exists, survey करो, focus group करो, prototype बना के लोगों को बोलो कि आप ये साइकिल ट्राई करो, क्या आप ये खरीदना चाहोगे, भरवा लो सर्वे. बेचना नहीं है, सिर्फ पूछना है कि आप खरीदो. और लोग बोल देते हैं कि हाँ चलो बच्चे काम करे, बोलते हैं लेके जाओ 300-500 लोगों का लेके जाओ. एनीबडी वुड डू इट, एनीबडी वुड अग्री कि हाँ यार ये दिस मेक्स सेंस. व्हाट इक्विटी शुड वी गिव टू इन्वेस्टर? आई डिस्कस दिस. इफ यू वांट मी टू कवर मोर जस्ट लेट मी नो. हाँ, फॉर्म अ गुड प्रीमियम ब्रांड. दिस इज अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन एंड इट इज टोटली अनदर डिफरेंट सेशन. I can tell you two things. One, your quality of the product has to be very, very consistent. It might not be the topmost quality, but it has to be very consistent quality. मतलब अमूल दूध कोई अच्छा तो होता नहीं है, लेकिन बुरा कभी नहीं होता है, right? So अमूल दूध is a good brand. Brand building का मतलब है कि downside नहीं होना चाहिए. So you need to always ensure a minimum quality. इसके नीचे आएगा हम नहीं सप्लाई करेंगे, we will take a loss, right? But that is a separate longer session on building a brand and a company. Raising funds for unorganized sector waste recycling. Fund raise करने में ना sector इतना ज़्यादा matter नहीं करता है. What matters more is, can you, I'm sorry, is this the question about not-for-profit funds like social sector? Or are you just talking about unorganized? Because if it's unorganized, it doesn't matter. It does not matter. हो सकता है some investors have a preference for core tech or AI, but it does not matter कि आपका sector क्या है. As long as you can show you know about it, and you will generate profit and value. Can you share free BMC link? Actually, yes. BMC link. Okay. You'll have to give me. Maybe I'll just share this afterwards. Professor Dhara, if I share it later, can you share it with everybody?
Sure, sir. I'll share it across.
Okay. There are sector-wise incubators. Yes, some incubators have a sector speciality. Like CCamp is for molecular biology. We have some which are more on the hardware side. Some might be on green energy, but I think 70% do not have a sector. Minimum number of team may require early product that will be able to do all the necessary tasks. 2. एक है तो कोई देखेगा भी नहीं. तुम कहाँ कस्टमर लाओगे? तुम तो को-फाउंडर नहीं ला पा रहे, राइट? सो 2 तो कम से कम होने चाहिए. When a startup is ready for investment, should approach an investor. Yeah, whenever you think you will need money 6 months later, start approaching. Hello, hi करके रखो, लोगों से बात करके रखो, but start approaching 6 months before you need the money. Pre-money, post-money valuation. Pre-money, post-money valuation is just technical. Ki assuming you will get this money, what happens in that case, right? Well, it's a technical difference. It doesn't matter to you when you are doing your business. Okay, after Corona. That's a good, tough question, yeah. So they say that when economy is booming, so it doesn't matter what sort of manager you are. गंदा manager हो वो भी ऐसे 8-9% growth निकाल लेता है. When the economy is in trouble, that is when a good manager comes up, right? So if you ask me, I would say at no point will we have a bad sector. People will always face a problem. You can always solve a problem. You should do it. अब जैसे हम बात कर रहे हैं Zoom पे, right? Zoom solves such a small silly problem of video conferencing. WhatsApp पे video conferencing हो जाता है, Google उस पे हो जाता है, Google Chat पे हो जाता है, Teams पे हो जाता है. फिर भी कितनी 4-5 बिलियन डॉलर वैल्यूएशन हो गई इसकी, right? Startups, if they solve a problem, they will continue to grow. Of course, if your startup is around airline food, then this might not be the best time for getting in there, right? For hospitality, this might not be the best time. Construction industry, a lot of people are saying this is not the best time. Auto sector, no. Auto sector though is like a major issue right now. But that does not mean all of auto is bad. So after a month, when people go out, a lot of their cars need repair. If you have a startup that takes care of that, it might be a good proposition. A number of people might want to sell their cars. So Spinny is a good startup at that time, right? Public transport might not be available. So carpool might be good. So carpool could be a good one, right? So you can't paint it with a broad brush, so to say. So you will have to see कि किस पे actual impact आया है corona का, and किस पे, you can find an opportunity. Entrepreneurs always find opportunities. We are trying to build a network of all stakeholders, platform for change in society. Platform will be useful for all. Now there is no such paid platform. How do we estimate how many people use it and then pay for it? There is no platform 50%. यार मैं फिर से कहूँगा, I'm sorry I didn't catch your name. Wait. Rahil, there is no such platform. Doing this is a very, very bad line. It is not like that. Okay, there must be people doing it. If it's just a platform, check out Reddit, check out Facebook groups. How many Facebook groups are there? How many members do they have? Check out people who are actively involved. 30 under 30, global Sherpas. There are a lot of people. There are NGO societies. You need to get this number to the closest level of approximation कि इतना इसका market होएगा, right? Online forums are amazing, lots of them यार. कितने websites हैं इसके आसपास? Get those numbers. Who will be willing to purchase? Who will be willing to pay? Specific target market who are interested, because when we require money for prototyping, simple investor. Good question. How do you find first customers? This is again a separate session altogether. But okay, so Darpan, जब तुमने प्रोडक्ट बनाया होगा तो तुम्हें पता होगा कि किसके लिए बना रहे हो. ऐसे लोगों को रीच आउट करो, पूछो उन लोगों को, कुछ ऐसे छोटा 150 गुडी बैग कुछ दो, बिठाओ एक रूम में, बात करो, सर्वे पूछो, उनसे लो. इसमें बहुत बार लोग झूठ भी बोलते हैं और झूठ पॉजिटिवली बोलते हैं. अगर तुम बोलो कि विल यू टेक अ सेट ऑफ स्पेक्स जो बहुत सुंदर लगेगा, तो a lot of people might say कि हाँ यार मुझे चाहिए, अरे कितना मस्त लगेगा, वाओ ये तो कितना सुंदर है करके. तो but they might not buy it, but people will say yes I will. Just take those responses. Just say we talked to 300 people, 200 people liked our product, 180 out of them wanted to buy our product. Right? You need to go out into the market. You need to do surveys. Intern hire करो ना इसके लिए. College बच्चे करो, ये सब करो. Get people to do it. Online लोगों से बात करो, survey भरवाओ, वो सब करो. अगर लोग ये भी बोलते हैं ना कि ये प्रॉब्लम है किसी कस्टमर रिव्यू में, that will also work. Sorry, if you are selling that one product, I believe in connecting to as many. How to execute marketing so that the brand value, product value is not lost. How to connect to people and do brand hammering in a very certain. Brand hammering क्यों करेंगे अगर हम एक यूनिट बेचना चाहते हैं? Or maybe I didn't get the question. So understand that your product has to, if you want to sell just one unit, then एक यूनिट तो तुम किसी को बेवकूफी बना के बेच सकते हो. So I'm assuming you want to sell more units, but you want to discriminate, right? This is called first degree price discrimination. First, second, third तीनों डिग्री होता है. बेसिक इकोनॉमिक्स का कॉन्सेप्ट है. अगर तुम्हारे प्रोडक्ट का और पता चलता है तो अगले सेशन में या कभी अपन ये ले सकते हैं कि हाउ डू वी डिस्क्रिमिनेट बिटवीन whom we want to sell this product to and not. क्योंकि बताना तो सबको पड़ेगा, लेकिन बेचना किसी किसी को पड़ेगा. I think that's your question. Just let me know if that is. idea is good, actions are good, co-founder team is not from IMIT, profit is huge but rotation of transaction cycle, then how will we raise? यार देखो, अगर तुम्हारा आइडिया सही है and you stand to make money, then the investor will come. Then you don't have to be over smart about something. And if the investor does not feel your team is good enough to do it, na, फिर जो मर्जी कर लो. It will just not work. Gestation period की तो problem ही नहीं है. No startup makes money in the first few years. Amazon छोड़ो, Levi's jeans पहनते हैं ना. 1991 में Levi's इंडिया आया था. 2004 में पहली बार प्रॉफिट बनाया था Levi's ने. 14 साल Levi's को लगे प्रॉफिट बनाने में. प्रॉफिट बाद में आना इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. और गुजराती कहावत है कि 1000 दिन में यू नीड टू ब्रेक इवन. 1000 दिन में स्टार्टअप के लिए दिस इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. टाइम इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम. थैंक्स. Watering holes. I don't know what watering holes are. I'm sorry. What parameters? The ones that I covered, yeah. Team, how well do you know the thing? How suited are you for the entire thing? What is the market size? What is the potential? What is the innovation? And why you? Mostly that. How to get market size related data. This is a thing. Hiranmay, should we do this half an hour webinar some other time? If we can consolidate a number of these queries, कि market sizing कैसे लेते हैं? आप mute करो.
So my input, I was just closely listening to your interaction. What I will do is all the people who are participating in this webinar, please put down your areas of interest. Like somebody told about valuation, somebody about marketing and all. We will figure out some more time and we'll arrange more detailed session with Preet in that regards. So Preet has also mentioned the Twitter handle also. So what we'll do is please mention in that question box and also mention to us so that we will have more dedicated sessions, which will be more pointed. Yeah.
Cool, more than happy. In fact, if somebody wants, I'll just share the copy of the book with you. Just share the पुराना वाला copy for you. वैसे भी अपने ने जियो के लिए लिखी थी.
Yeah. So by the way, I think I didn't mention about all the participants. Preet is the author of a book called Starting Up in India. It's a very lucid, very self-explanatory book. So he is one of the young author. So I think I would like to share a copy of that to all of you, and I'm sure you will be benefited of it.
So we wrote it for the GTU course, I guess. GTU course,
Yes.
GTU course वाला था.
So we'll take one last question.
Sure. So this is about price discrimination. So professional YouTube videos, do you mean like the animated ones, whiteboard ones, or for people to actually project them on WhatsApp or YouTube?
Sir, both.
Okay, so both of these are very different segments, right? When you make something for people, that is a very in-person process, right? So you will have to say कि camera ऐसे करो, पीछे हो, shirt का button बंद करो, ये color change करो, background सही नहीं आ रहा. That is a very person-intensive process, right? And if you make a guideline, so nobody will pay you for it. So your other segment is whiteboarding videos. Whiteboarding videos का तो बहुत सारा companies already है. इसका तो तुम्हें अच्छे से मिल जाएगा पूरा. Corporate videos में whiteboarding videos has been around for more than 3 years at a very high level. था पहले भी लेकिन 3 years तो था. तो ये तो you explore on Twitter, here, there, reports में you'll find this anywhere. That is not a problem at all.
Preet sir, Saurabh here.
अरे how are you, Saurabh?
I'm good sir. How are you?
बिल्कुल बढ़िया, बिल्कुल बढ़िया.
Okay. Thank you for joining. Just one question कि अभी हम बहुत सारी चीजें डिस्कस करते हैं बट लोगों को पता नहीं चलता DIPP के बारे में. जो आप लास्ट टाइम बता रहे थे DIPP का एक दो पॉइंट जो क्विक जो इनको रियली यूजफुल हो DIPP का, जो कि अभी भी लोग उसको कैच नहीं कर पाते. व्हाट इज DIPP, व्हाट इज दिस एंड दैट. तो यहाँ पे बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप्स हैं मैं देख रहा हूँ, तो उनको आप अगर 2 लाइन में बता पाए एग्जैक्टली व्हाट टू डू.
जैसे गुजरात में SSIP है ना, वैसे सेंट्रल लेवल पे DPIIT है, डिपार्टमेंट फॉर प्रमोशन ऑफ इंडस्ट्री एंड इंटरनेट ट्रेड. इंपॉर्टेंट ये है कि स्टार्टअप इंडिया प्रोग्राम इनके अंडर आता है. तो startupindia.gov.in इज आपका नेशनल लेवल पोर्टल। जैसे अपन लघु उद्योग के लिए स्टेट में भी करते हैं और सेंटर में भी करते हैं उद्योग आधार लेने के लिए, वैसे ही स्टार्टअप आपका एक स्टेट में भी है और सेंटर में भी है। बेनिफिट लो, भर भर के लो। Amazon क्लाउड, डिजिटल ओशन, कॉलिंग सर्विसेज, वकील सर्च, कोर्सेरा, यूडेमी, बहुत सारे पार्टनर्स वहां पे भी फ्री अवेलेबल हैं, यहाँ पे भी फ्री अवेलेबल है। जोहो वगैरह भी बहुत मिलता है, इधर भी मिलता है उधर भी, तो दोनों से लो। तो startupindia.gov.in, that is the website that you should know about for Government of India initiatives, and everything on the website is free.